In front of me is Apple iPhone 12 Pro, and let me show you how to permanently delete photos which are in recently deleted album. So first of all, just reach the photos. Let's go to albums, and at the bottom of the list you can notice recently deleted. So all pictures that you deleted recently are hidden right here, smoothly marked. And if you'd like to remove it, just tap on select and then confirm. Select delete all, then confirm that you would like to do it, and that's it. As you can see, it's no longer in your device and it's permanently deleted. So this is it, that would be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.